In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bundled product in WooCommerce. Whether you're running an online store or just getting started, bundled products can offer an exciting way to increase your sales by packaging related items together. This not only encourages customers to buy more, but also provides them with an extra incentive through attractive deals. Without further ado, let's dive right in. To begin creating your bundled product, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your WooCommerce dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Products section, which you can find conveniently located in the left-hand menu. From here, choose Add New to start crafting your product bundle. This is the point at which the fun really begins. Now, we need to focus on the Product Data box, often found midway down on the product creation page. This section is where you set the parameters for your product. By default, WooCommerce sets the product type to Simple Product. For our purpose, you'll want to change this to Grouped Product. Selecting Grouped Product allows you to bring several simple products together, creating a single convenient offer for your customers. Next, click on the Linked Products tab found within the Product Data box. It's time to connect this grouped product with the individual items you want to include in the bundle. By doing this, the products are neatly packaged together as a cohesive offer. Start by entering the names of the simple products you intend to bundle. These could be complementary items that enhance one another or products that are often purchased together. A useful tip is to think from your customer's perspective and consider what combinations would be most appealing to them. Ensuring these products are already present in your WooCommerce store is essential. If they aren't, you'll need to create them as simple products first before you can link them here. Once you've chosen your items, it's always a great idea to review the entire product bundle. Check for accuracy to ensure that you have all the desired products linked properly. At this stage, you can also adjust the description to make your bundle even more enticing. Craft your words carefully to let your customers know why this bundle is a fantastic deal and why they don't want to miss out. With everything in place and triple-checked, you're ready to make this product live. Look for the Publish button, located on the right-hand side of your screen, and give it a click. Congratulations! You've just created a bundle product in WooCommerce. Now your customers can enjoy the benefits of bundled savings, and you can benefit from increased sales. As you become more familiar with grouped products, you'll likely discover more opportunities to improve customer satisfaction and boost your business's performance. Remember, the options for bundling products are vast and limited only by your imagination. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.